Okay, welcome back in the EVS class. As due to some technical problem, we were just there was an interruption and we were just out of your reach for few minutes. So now we will let's start the remaining part. I was talking about the life of this Kalbelia people, and they are very skillful in bean playing of the bean. So bean is a type of musical instrument, and on this tune they make the snakes to dance. Actually it is not dancing, the movement of the snake due to their fear, but we think it is a dancing. So it was a quick recap. Along with it, what else they do for us, and they just take out the venom, or you can say the poison of the snakes, and they used to give it in the laboratory, because each and every snakes have a specific kind of venom, and out of their venom only anti-venom is possible to make, or medicine for this poison is possible to make. That's why their venom is also very important to collect, and these people collecting this type of venom. Okay. So, and what is their other work? This is the important work. They give and they provide us some kind of medicines. Okay. So now the other things we have revised it quickly, and 19 page we have in our last class we have completed. Now the next page, do you know, is given here, page number, refer to page number 20. Of the many kind of snakes found in our country, only 4 type of snakes are poisonous. They are cobra, common crate, Russell's viper, saw-scaled viper. So these all 4 type of, and these 4 type of snakes are actually we found in India. They are Indian snakes, but in all over the world there are so many other kinds of snakes are present. And in the world, if you will see the poisonous, or you can say the most dangerous poison having snake is black mama. Okay. But here if we will see there are 2 kinds of snakes. One is Russell viper and another one is saw-scaled viper. So this saw-scaled viper is different from this Russell viper, because Russell viper makes a hissing sound, and that seems to us just hiss sound, or it seems to us some pressure cooker is just whistling. Okay. So this is a kind of sound it make, and it is a very poisonous snake, as well as common crate is actually the most poisonous snake in our India. And the third one is scale saw viper, is also very dangerous, but they do not make any kind of sound. And cobra, king cobra, you know, they are very tall, they are having a long surface area they cover, and they are also, they have a spectracum on their hood, and it seems they looks very beautiful. They are black in color, mostly black in color, and these snakes are also poisonous. Okay. So what else? The medicine made from the snake poison, and nowadays these government has made one rule that don't catch these snakes and don't keep them in our care. There is no way to keep them in the house. So what they do, they catches the these type of snakes, they take out their venom, and these poisoners are useful to make the medicine, as I told you. So they just take out the venom, and they keep it in the laboratory for making medicine. So how they what are the body organs of the snake by which they inject the poison inside our body? Actually it is a fang. Fang is actually 2 front teeth of the snakes, and these fangs are poisonous because it is a tube like teeth, and within this tube there is poison, and these teeth are actually curved, or you can say they are have 2 saw like structure, or it is a this type of teeth they have, and it is a elongated teeth, and within this tube there is a poison. Okay. So with this poison, when they inject somebody, or when they just pierce these teeth, these groove teeth within a person's body or within an animal's body, and they just give out, or they just pour their whatever their amount of poison inside their teeth, inside the body, and this poison actually run with the blood. Okay, so they mixes with the blood, and when this type of poison reach to the heart stop working and the person become fatal, and that person can be dead within the minutes or within the hours. Okay, so it depends on the amount of the poison and the intensity of the poison, how much poison is dangerous. Okay, so this is the way these snakes give poison to us. But the very interesting thing is that out of these poison only we are making the medicine, or the anti-venom medicine is possible out of this poison only. Okay, so there are particular snakes, and these particular snakes have particular type of poison, and the antidote or the anti-venom whatever the medicine is made, this is out of this poison. So this poison is very much necessary for us. So sometimes this snake catcher or the snake charmer, they just catch these snakes, they take out the poison, they know how to irritate, and when these snake become fearful and scary, that time they try to give out the poison. So they make the tricks on them and they take out the poison from this poisonous snake so that antivenom can be made. So this is a very important work which snake charmers do for us. Okay. Now if we will move from the other questions, whatever the question talk some people in your neighborhood who keep one or more animals for their livelihood. So for experience, a horse or a tonga, hens for eggs, etc. 5 oak. So time and again I am requesting you, please don't cut the call. If you are cutting the call, that means the whole thing is becoming out of your reach. So please don't do it, and don't just mute your speaker and don't cut any call. Okay, this is my request to you. Now next, nowadays government has made a rule, so no one is just keeping these wild animals, but sometimes we have seen, and then few people keep some kinds of animals in their home for their domestic use. In the farmhouses we can keep the buffaloes, cow, hen for egg and milk purposes. So these all you can write here. Okay, who look after them, what do these animal eat? So these all depend on your observation. Whatever they eat, if the hen are there, then that means they are eating the worm and they eat some grain. But if any other animal just like buffalo or the cow is there, that means these animals eat the dry grasses and type of seeds and other vegetative parts. Okay, so you will write according to whatever the animal you will choose, you have to write the answers. Make some questions and discuss about this question. So you can make some questions, what is their breeding period, what is their when they give birth to the young ones, and in which season they give the milk good, and in which seasons, or and which day the hen give the eggs, is it the every day or they give it alternatively. You just find all the answers from your own by your observation. Okay, now we will go for the make a snake puppet. It is just a activity. So now we will come to the looking around the activity book of your related to your chapter. Okay, so we will start a snake charmer's story or the activity book answers. You take out your activity book so that you can write the answers in your activity book as I am writing over here. Okay, so at first I will discuss, fill in the blanks with the correct word. So the first one, take out page number 5, a snake charmer story. So this is the snake charmer's story. In your activity book, take out or open the page number 5. Refer to page number 5. See first question, fill in the blanks with the correct words. So what are the answers? At first we will discuss. The dash of a snake's charmer is known as calbelias. So what is it? First one answer is, fill in the blanks. If you see, so the first answer is, the dash of a snake charmers is known as calbelia. So the first one is community. the first fill in the blank, if you will see, the community of the snake charmer is known as Kalbelia. So the first answer is community, write down in your copy or in your book. Then second, or the B part is, or the second is given, snake charmers use dash basket to keep their snakes. Which basket? We know these are the bamboo baskets or the woven baskets. So you will write bamboo. Second answer is snake charmers use bamboo baskets to keep their snakes. Now we will go for the third. Snake charmers provide dash for snake bite. What it is? It should be medicine. So the third answer, snake charmers provide medicine for snake bite, because they are providing the poison to the lamb, and out of this poison antidote or the medicines are being made. Okay. Now the fourth answer, if we will see the fourth, fill in the blanks. Snakes help humans by dash rat in the field and spoil the crops. So it should be eating. Snake helps human by eating rats in the field which spoil the crops. So write down eating. Okay. So the fourth answer is eating. Now turn over the page, come to the page number 6. So what is the fifth answer, or what is the fifth fill in the blank? You will see, it is dash dance is similar to snake dance. You know it is Kalbelia dance or Kalbelia dance. Fifth one is Kalbelia dance is similar to the snake dance. Next one is a snake charmers dash people with the snakes by playing bean. So it should be entertain. Okay. So sixth one is entertain. Because snake charmers play the bean and make the snakes to dance or to move their body. By this people get any entertainment. So this should be the entertainment. So the first one is the community, second was bamboo, third one is medicine, fourth one is eating, fifth is Kalbelia, and sixth is entertain. You have written. Now we will move for the true and false statement. Okay. So I am rubbing this side. So if we will see, there are statements are given here. First one is snake charmers have a fixed place. They don't move from village to village. So it's a true? No, actually they are having the nomadic life. They move from one place to another. So this is a incorrect, or you can say this is a false statement. So number one is false. Number one is the false statement. Second statement is given, all snakes are not poisonous. So write, all snakes are not poisonous, only few kinds or few types of snakes are poisonous. So second statement is actually true statement. Okay. So write down true. Now the third statement is given here, snakes eat insects in the fields and which spoil the crops. So is it they eat the insects? No, they eat the pests. So what are the pests? Rats and mice. These all are the pests, and rodents are there. They also eat the, so these type of animals they eat. They do not eat these insects. Okay. So the third statement is actually false statement. And the fourth statement is given here, Kalbelia dance is similar to the dance of monkey. Is it? It is the dance which are similar to the monkey, it is the dance which are similar to the snake. So it is also a false statement. Now, if we will see the fifth statement, snake charmers entertain people with the snakes by playing bean. So is it true statement? And the last one is saperas kill the snakes and sell their skin. So is it right statement? No. They keep the snakes, and this is their claim that they love the snakes because they think that these are their livelihood. So the things from which we earn our money for our livelihood, for our family, how we can kill those things. So snake charmers never kill the snakes, they keep them as their pet. So this is a false statement. Okay, sixth one is the, or you can say the sixth one is the false statement. That's all you have written, all the answers. Okay, now we will go and we will see the answers the following. So 1 and 2 answers maybe we will able to write. Take out your copy if you think there will be problem to write such in a small place. So you can write in your copy, and if you can accommodate within this 2 lines, so you will write here. Okay. So but it is better to write in the copy. So I am just rubbing all these. Third, answer the following question. So I am not writing here the questions. First question is, what do you know about Kalbelias? So answer is, Kalbelias are saperas from gypsy caste. They belong to the northwest of Rajasthan, famous for performing snake dance. So what is it? They are the Kalbelia are the saperas or snake catcher from gypsy caste. They belong to the northwest of Rajasthan, famous for performing dance, snake dance. So I am writing it here, you just copy it down. Okay. Answer 1 is here. Kalbelias are saperas sapera means snake catchers. Snake catchers from gypsy caste. Gypsy means who do not have any set of disciplines, who do not belong to any kind of religion or anything. They just move on, they move from one place to another, and they make different kinds of dances and they perform it. They are good performer. Okay. So these are the gypsies. You have seen the gypsies. Gypsies means who are moving from one place to another, just like the nomadic life. Okay. So they are called the gypsies. So Kalbelias are saperas or snake catchers from gypsy caste. They belong to northwest of Rajasthan. And Rajasthan, or they belong to Rajasthan, famous for snake dance. Famous for performing snake dance. As I told you, so answer is here. Kalbelias are saperas, snake catchers from gypsy caste. They belong to northwest of Rajasthan. They belong to northwest of Rajasthan, famous for performing snake dance. So write it down fast so that I can write the another answer. Can't see the left. Is it not visible? Okay, I am dictating, so you better to write again. Whatever you are unable to see, you just see and write. Kalbelias are saperas. In bracket, snake catchers from gypsy caste. They belong to northwest of Rajasthan and famous for performing snake dance. Okay, because this is a group of nomadic people. From where they are belonging? They are belonging the northwest of Rajasthan, or you can say the Thar desert. Okay, so they are coming from the northwest of the Rajasthan and they are famous for their snake dance. What they are their performance of snake dance is very famous. So this is the answer. Kalbelias are saperas, in bracket you can write snake catchers from gypsy caste, and they belong to northwest of Rajasthan and they are famous for performing snake dance. Clear to you? Okay, write fast. And I think the time is over. The rest questions we will do in our next class. So till that you just write it down.